How's it going, guys? Welcome to Ambro's Landscape YouTube channel. In today's video, I have my wife. Say hi, wife.
Hi.
And today is her first time ever on a stand-on, and we just did this not too long ago with my buddy Adam, where it was his first time ever on a stand-on, so we wanted to see how well he could do, make his line straight and all that kind of fun stuff. So we thought it'd be really fun to bring the wife on and have her do it as well. So you already said hi, right?
I said hi.
Oh, great. Okay, cool. So what she's gonna do is she's just gonna go up and down the yard. And first she's gonna go slow. Well, I'm gonna have you go slow,
yeah,
so you don't ruin anything, because this is not our mower. And we're gonna see how well she can do her lines and her stripes. And then I'm gonna have her go a little bit faster, because that's going to be really funny. So without further ado, we gotta get going before the sun goes down. But other than that, is there anything to say?
Let's get started.
That sounds great. Let's go. Alright, so now I'm going to tell her to go a lot faster. Back, back, back. Okay, well that's not safe. Good? Yes, ma'am. What'd you think?
The full blast, is that what people do on a typical day?
Professionals, yeah.
Professionals.
We don't.
I am definitely
Depending on the property.
That was a lot of fun. It was kind of like going, I don't know, doing something epic, and I don't have to pay for epic now. I can just mow.
Well, that's nice.
I liked it. It was
cool.
fun.
All right, so let's look at your work. Wow. Let's look at this this work. Okay, so this was when you first started.
Correct.
Of course, this is going nice and slow. So, do you want to walk us through what you did? Walk us through what you did.
I just I just tried to mow.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
To make the lines as straight as I could. I think I did maybe a 5 out of a 10. I think.
Are you talking for this right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it definitely would not be something that I would want to go mow your condos, because there would be complaints.
Yes, that is correct.
And then when I was going fast, I was just having fun. I wasn't I wasn't trying to do anything professional.
Well, we're gonna judge you as if you were professional. So for this, I would hire you on.
Really?
If this was your first day.
Okay.
This, I would have to send you home though.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, that's a pretty good excuse.
Absolutely.
I mean, but of course, if you were a first hire on the first day, we wouldn't have you going full bore on the mower anyways.
Definitely. You want me to give some of my first thoughts on it?
Let's do it.
You want that? Okay.
Do it.
So it's definitely something that I'm gonna have to get used to. I don't know. We have to give this mower back soon, so I don't think I'll be able to practice much more on this. Maybe we can go tomorrow or something. I don't know. But
Tomorrow where?
Mow somewhere. I don't know, for fun.
Okay.
But it's definitely one I'd have to get used to more. It's kind of a little bit hard on my thumb. I've got really, really small hands, but you guys mowing probably don't have that problem. It's definitely fun, and I feel a little bit more active than when I'm just sitting on a lawnmower. But I really enjoyed it. The cut quality seems really, really great. But then again, I'm no professional.
That's right.
A partial owner. So I had fun though, and I'm not exactly sure why I was screaming. Maybe because it was just fun to do it, but I don't typically
Well,
like.
Well,
Was I screaming? I think I was.
Well, yeah. We just have to look at the footage. What happened to my camera? I hope that did it die? What happened to it?
I don't know.
This is where I mounted my little action camera, and it's blinking red. I just got it the other day, so that's. Oh no.
I definitely wouldn't go if,
it's still recording.
Jason
Okay,
hired
cool.
me. If Jason hired me, I definitely wouldn't be screaming on the job or anything like that. We're just having fun. This is.
Well, yeah, it sounds really bad if you're screaming on the. This is why I placed my little action camera right here. Let's see. So I was really worried. Luckily, it's on there really good. I was really worried that if that thing came off, I mean, that's under the mower, that's out, and it's gone.
Yeah.
So, anyways.
What other things do I want to say? I actually
well, that's
had
it
a lot
because
of fun.
we're not doing a first impressions. We're basically just seeing how well you did, and I think I would
What
say
do
that
you
you
guys
did.
Think that how
I think that she did really well. Let us know down below what you guys thought, how well she did on her mowing. And like I said, usually I would have got the drone in the air, but I completely forgot because we're almost out of sunlight. And yeah, so let me know down below what you guys thought, and I will see you guys next time on Ambro's Landscaping. Wife.
Bye.
How
Hope
can
you guys
they find you?
had a fun time. Find me. Oh, I have a channel, but you guys don't want to watch it.
Hey, so all my lawn care guys, if you are into home decor, follow my wife's channel. And a lot of guys leave comments saying that we want to see the inside of your house. Well, if you want to see the inside of my house, you can look at her videos.
Is in a couple of my videos.
The best videos I'm in, clearly. So anyways, I will see you guys next time on Ambro's Landscaping.